In today's tech tip, we'll talk about how to make this Toyota Hybrid run on the internal combustion engine. Normally a Toyota Hybrid in ready mode, the internal combustion engine may or may not crank up. Simply depends on the needs of the battery. Your scan tool should have a function under the powertrain menu for Hybrid. You'll enter inspection menu, maintenance mode. I found it kind of cumbersome and didn't always work for me, but there is a manual way of entering maintenance mode from inside the vehicle. Let me go inside and show you how to do it. All right, folks, I'm inside the vehicle. What I need to do is to press the start button twice without mashing the brake. This will put the vehicle in ignition mode. Once, twice. Now within 60 seconds, I'll depress the accelerator 4 times in park, shift into neutral, depress the accelerator 4 more times, back to park, depress the accelerator 4 more times, mash the brake, and crank the vehicle. There you go. The vehicle is running and it'll stay running even after the battery charges. Thank you very much and see us for our next tech tip.